Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video, we have another case unboxing. Is the Hotwheels N Case. And this box does have a little bit of crush damage. I mean, post office isn't really too kind to some of these big cases. But we're going to go ahead and open this up. I did see, I don't know if it was wet at some point, but there's some damage to the cardboard. Like I said, it's a little squished, but we're going to go ahead and cut this thing open. Go ahead and cut open that side and this side. And let me just carefully lay it on its side. I don't want to cause any other cars to kind of shake or get messed up or anything. And let's go ahead and cut it across. There we go. Alright, let me just kind of open this up here so that neither of us can see it. Let me just kind of shift it out of the frame's just not really in the way. But let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. So we're going to start right up on top. See, they're kind of snug in here. Well, right off the bat, we got, I'll show you in a second. So we have the H2Go, which is kind of cool. But that right there is the regular treasure hunt for this case. So, I mean, it's a tuned Volkswagen Golf Mark 1. And that thing looks amazing. You see the little treasure hunt logo. Yeah, right there on that rear pillar. And then, let me see if I can shift it around in the package. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that behind the car. But that is the regular treasure hunt. You can kind of see it there. There we go. The text behind the car there in the white section. So I was actually really excited about this when it saw it was coming out. I really wanted one. And this is absolutely amazing. So I am so happy that this is in here. Like I'm like already freaking out. I really hope to get the Super Treasure Hunt as well, but so far one of the first pull out of the box got the regular Treasure Hunt. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set that aside. And then we also have the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Wow. All right. Next up, it's just some weird shaped packages. Okay, it's a motorcycle. So we have the Passengasser, the Batmobile in like a weird kind of gold color, and then the Ducati Desert X. Alright, so we got another Batmobile, another Passengasser, and a Poison Arrow. Alright, so we have the 1986 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock, the 88 Honda CRX, and the Lamborghini Reventon finished in that nice kind of new red color, and it is the 60th anniversary version. Alright, so we have another 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, 2018 Honda Civic Type R with a pretty cool police livery, and then the Fiat 500e. Alright, so we got some cool cars right here. So we have the Corvette C7 Z06 convertible, but the highly anticipated car I've been wanting is the Bugatti Bolide. This came out, like, they had a real version of this, and I fell in love with it, one of my favorite cars in the world, and they made a Hot Wheel version of it. So this will be in a future unpackaging kind of video. I'm going to pull it out of the package. I'm going to race it on my 6-lane raceway and put it with my other Bugattis. So I'm really excited about that. And I was looking to see if there's any damage, because if there's damage, then I don't feel guilty about opening it up. But maybe we'll see if I get another one in the near future. And then maybe if I find one in the stores that's all beat up, damaged, then I can get that, unbox that one, and then kind of hold on to this one. But we also have the Tesla Roadster. But if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because I have a lot more videos to come. More unboxings coming all the time. And like I said, Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. I'm always doing YouTube shorts every single day, racing cars on the track. And it's a lot of fun. But let's go ahead and get back into this. We have the Rimac Nevera, the Turbine Sublime, and the 73 Jeep J10. Alright guys, so I had some issues with my, I believe it's the battery for my camera. the camera actually cut off and it corrupted some of the footage. So I'm going to do a little recap. I don't know how far back it corrupted, but I did not get the Super Treasure Hunt or the regular version yet, so there's still potential. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of start back. I don't know how far back, but I got a lot of cool cars. Custom 68 Camaro, Mustang NHRA funny car, the Fastbed Hauler, a Porsche 928S Safari, Tesla Roadster, 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG, 62 Corvette, and a Surf Duty. The Fast Feline, the Barbie version of the 2024 GMC Hummer EV, and it has some like lightning bolt stuff there on the side. And we got another Bugatti Bolide, so hopefully I can open up one of those for sure. Another Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. Alright, so hopefully this battery is good to go and it's not going to keep cutting out like the other one did. I had that happen previously with a different video. I didn't know if it was the battery or what, but yeah, it is the battery, so I'm for sure going to not use that one. Got brand new batteries in the camera right now, so it should be good for the rest of this video. But let's go ahead and get back into the box. I just started on the bottom half of the case. I only pulled out 3 cars, so we still have the whole other half of the case to go. Alright, so then we got the BMW i8 Roadster, the 64 Chevy Nova Wagon, and the Ford Bronco R, which actually looks really cool. Alright. So we have the Baja Bison T5, the 76 Chevy Chevette, and the Jaguar I-Pace E-Trophy. Alright, we got a weird package. Oh, another motorcycle. So the 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat, the Cloak and Dagger, and the Honda CB750 Cafe. Alright. So we have another Custom 68 Camaro, the Rimac Nevera, and Hot Wheels High. Alrighty, so we have another Fiat 500e, Porsche 928S Safari, and the Volvo XC40 Recharge, which that actually looks really cool. They give like a really nice like foresty kind of livery on it, and I actually think it looks pretty good. Oh, alright, let's see. Alright, we got some cool trucks in this one. So we have the Land Rover Defender 90, the 2020 Toyota Tacoma, which is white with some blue wheels, which looks absolutely amazing. And then an 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC3S. Man, that's a crazy name. Alright. So we have another Cloak and Dagger, a 64 Chevy Nova Wagon, and the Bronator. It used to be the Carbonator, but they renamed it to the Birdonator, which that is kind of interesting. I'm kind of curious why they got the rename on the bottle opener. Like I said, it was the Carbonator, but it's literally a bottle opener. There's a little thing right there, so that's kind of interesting. New name. Still have not gotten the Porsche 935, so there's still chance of being a super. Let's see. Wow, that's kind of interesting. Got 3 JDM cars. We got the Mighty K, and then a 2018 Honda Civic Type R, and then another Mighty K. And we did not get the Super Treasure Hunt. So we have the Turbine Sublime, but then we have the regular version of the Porsche 935. And that car looks absolutely amazing. And that's what the Super Treasure Hunt would have been. We also have a 62 Corvettes. So just double checking. Yeah, it's obvious. There's no treasure hunt logo. There's, I mean, this car actually looks amazing. Like, let me show you guys that. So picture how amazing that looks, but being a super treasure hunt. That would have been absolutely amazing. But unfortunately, that is not the case. This car actually does look so good. I'm probably going to open this one up and put on my 6-lane raceway to be able to race in some upcoming videos. So like I said before, make sure you subscribe because you do not want to miss out on that. That's going to be awesome to have an upcoming video and be able to obviously like pull it out of the package, check it out all the way around, but then also be able to race it on the racetrack. So definitely subscribe. Got a few more cars left in here, so let's go ahead and finish it off. The Hot Wheel 4-track, head gasket, another Mustang NHRA funny car. And the final 3 cars, it's kind of heavy actually. Oh, got some big ones here. So we got the Teed Off 2, which is actually a Golf tee, which is kind of interesting. Another BMW i8 Roadster, and then another Toyota Tacoma. So, like I said, we did not get the Super Treasure Hunt, but we still got the regular Treasure Hunt, which is really cool. I do want to do a race on the 6-lane raceway that includes like all 6 tuned cars. We got the couple from the Fast and Furious. We got the Charger, the Supra, and then there's some other tuned cars that did come out this year. And now I see it's out of, there's only 5 out of the set. So this is number 4 out of 5. So it looks like I'm probably going to be racing 5 cars. Because there's those 2. I know there's this one, the Twin Mill. I'm trying to remember what else there was. There's a tuned Batmobile. I believe that was also this year. But I can try to find a previous tuned car from like a different one. Or like the Batmobile of a couple different colors. So maybe we'll do something like that. But let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this video. Also, if you guys want to see some Hot Wheel races, definitely put some down in the comments down below, like ideas on what you guys would like to see race. Because I do shorts every single day for Hot Wheel races, and then I even did some big giant tournaments and stuff, which is pretty cool. So definitely check out all those videos on my channel. But if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe. But as always, thank you for watching.